Tired of manually entering every single Chase Bank transaction into QuickBooks? There's a much faster way. Today, we're diving into how to import your Chase Bank statements directly into QuickBooks Desktop Pro, saving you time and headaches. First, log into your Chase online banking account. Navigate to your account activity and locate the option to download your statement. Choose either a QBO or CSV format. QuickBooks prefers QBO for bank feeds, but if that's unavailable, CSV works too. Now, open QuickBooks Desktop Pro, go to the File menu, select Utilities, then choose Import, and finally, click on Web Connect Files. If you are using the CSV format, go to Banking, then select Bank Feeds, and lastly, Import Web Connect File. Browse and select the Chase statement file you just downloaded. QuickBooks will prompt you to choose the corresponding Chase Bank account in your company file that you want to import the transactions to. Once imported, the transactions will appear in the Banking Feed Center here. You can review each transaction, match it to existing entries in QuickBooks, or add new ones. After reviewing and categorizing all transactions, reconcile your account. This ensures accuracy and helps you keep your financials in tip-top shape. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Chase Bank statement into QuickBooks Desktop Pro. By following these simple steps, you can ditch the manual data entry and streamline your financial management with QuickBooks. Be sure to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips.